Good morning, ma'am. I'm Igor. Welcome to Mac Hotel. Can I have your key, ma'am, to park your car?
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Mac Hotel. I'm Yang Sherbo. I'm your bell service today. Can I have your bag, ma'am? This way, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Mac Hotel. I am Mark. I'm your front desk clerk today. How may I help you?
Yes, I have reservation today under the name of Laika Salas.
Hi, ma'am. Let me check first. Hi, ma'am. Your name spell is L-by-C-K. Sorry.
Yes, it is.
Hi, ma'am. You reserved a presidential suite with a special non-smoking area with a special restaurant.
Yes, black and face.
Hi, ma'am. If you want, we can show you your room. And if you want any request, you may do so.
Yes, please show me.
Hello? Please go to the front desk. Okay. Sure. My name is Karen Alberto. I'm your best supporter. Please wait, please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am, this is your room. Presidential suite room. It is okay for you, ma'am. It is okay for you, ma'am, this room.
Okay, thank you.
How's your turnout? Oh, it's fine.
Okay, can you fill up the registration form and may I know if how mode payment? Please accept the credit card. Yes, ma'am, no problem. Okay, this is my credit card. This is your imam for your presidential suite. Okay, thank you.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes, sir, may I help you?
Can I ask your city map for this room?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
No problem, sir. If you have any question, you can dial the telephone.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Hello, everyone. I am Elisa Mateo, the front desk.
I am Angus Garcia. I'm a front desk one.
I'm Laika Salas. Guess what? I'm Bianca Sherbo. I'm your bell service today.
I'm Reynald Alfonso. Best staff one. You call me Jamaya, the bandit English.
I'm Radisa and I'm their And we are the Group 7.